So I'm opening up the case right now, and inside is all of the stuff we need to assemble our clarinet. So this first thing I'm taking out right now is called the bell. This is what makes the clarinet sound louder, and that's what goes on the bottom. That's the mouthpiece, and then this is the ligature, which is what you use to hold your reed, which we'll look at in a minute, onto the mouthpiece. And then this now is the cap, so it protects the reed. That's the barrel that connects the mouthpiece and the second part of the clarinet. The first part even, so this part here that I'm now looking at, this is the top part of the clarinet. And then this is the bottom part of the clarinet. And yeah. And then this, what I'm getting out now, this is the cork grease. This just, if your clarinet's all stiff, you can use it to help your clarinet go together more easily. And then, yeah. So this is the reed, this is what makes the vibrations to make the noise, and whilst you're putting your instrument together, you put it in your mouth and make sure a lot of saliva gets onto it so it's nice and damp and moist, and then it will play a lot nicer. Right, so what I'm doing now is I'm getting the mouthpiece and I'm going to put the barrel onto it. So we need to make sure that we put the barrel onto the smaller side. So that's the small side, not onto the bigger side. So the mouthpiece does not go into the bigger side, it goes into the smaller side. So you should feel some resistance when you're putting it in. And then we're going to put it onto the top part, making sure the golf club looking parts are facing down and making sure it is not the bottom piece. That's the bit with the thumb rest, the bottom piece. And then we put that on, making sure the clubs are at the bottom. Nice, and there we go. Mine's a bit stiff, I didn't put any grease on it. Then, bless me, we put this onto the top, making sure that the golf clubs line up, because if you can see just on top of the golf clubs there's a little bit, there's two overlapping bits that have to overlap, so we need to make sure we don't tangle those up because that will break our clarinet. You'll get to see it later in the video, so we just push that together nice and gently, making sure it is the right way up. And as you can see, the bits that are going up and down, those are the interlocking bits that interlock and overlap. And now we need to put the last bit onto the bell, which is just the bottom bit. And now that's our clarinet assemble. We just need to put the reed on. So the reed will go onto the mouthpiece, onto the flat bit of the mouthpiece. We do not put it on too high like this. That's not right, and not too low. Basically just in line with the top of the mouthpiece is where we will put it. And then we put the ligature, which is unscrewed slightly. Don't take the screws out because they're a pain to get back in, on top. And then we push it down and we screw the ligature on so that the reed is held on by the ligature to the mouthpiece, like so. Then we can play our clarinet, making sure that the reed is on our bottom lip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!